Let's take a break from city noise and dive into the roar of modern agri-machines. These beasts are revolutionizing farming, one field at a time. Let's take a break from city noise and dive into the roar of modern agri-machines. These beasts are revolutionizing farming, one field at a time. Harvesting sugar beets efficiently requires a well-orchestrated machine lineup. Tiger 6S delivers raw power for beet lifting with 700+ horsepower and self-leveling stability. Panther 2S adds precision in tight spaces, while Mouse 6 streamlines field edge cleaning and loading. They adapt to any terrain while maintaining efficiency. Soil compaction is a silent yield killer, and the Annaberger Unicrawler crawler track is designed to combat exactly that. By using rubber tracks with a wide contact surface, it spreads the load of up to 34 tons without damaging the subsoil. More than just a support unit, it enables trailers optimized for the road to operate safely on agricultural terrain. The CARES robot streamlines kiwi fruit harvesting and pollination with 4 dexterous arms and AI vision for gentle, precise picking. Its automated pollination system adjusts nozzle height to boost fruit setup to 82%. CARES also offers a flexible platform to tackle labor shortages and improve orchard productivity. With up to 589 horsepower, the John Deere C770 cotton harvester combines high-capacity harvesting with smart tech. Its 13.6-liter engine powers through fields at 7.4 kilometers per hour. Compatible with 8 or 12-row headers, it forms 2.4-meter-wide round modules. The redesigned cab is 30% larger and fully connected, and features like AutoTrack and Harvest ID enhance precision and traceability. Powered by a Fendt tractor with a minimum of 150 horsepower, the Camps VCC 3500 compost turning machine operates efficiently at speeds ranging from 50 to 900 meters per hour. Its spiral-arranged rotor teeth ensure even mixing of compost, promoting better aeration and enhancing the soil's nutrient profile. This autonomous planting robot doesn't just follow GPS. It calibrates real-time soil resistance and adjusts its drill depth accordingly. That's not just automation, that's adaptive precision. It reduces seed waste, prevents overworking the soil, and makes each seed count. By combining intelligent spray control with mechanical precision, the Pastro desuckering sprayer slashes vineyard maintenance costs. Its shielded nozzles and row-track guide keep spray on target, reducing reliance on manual labor by up to 70 to 80%. Typically, ditch mowers disturb the seedbed, but the Hubie LC 90 Megatronic 7 is different. Its highlight is the Faunatronic feature. It automatically cuts vegetation just above the ground without harming aquatic life. A smart solution for both clearing and protecting the environment. Designed for tough environments, the F780 winch truck features a swiveling winch assembly and an adjustable support shield for maximum adaptability. With a pulling capacity of 160 tons and the advanced dramatic cable system, it excels in demanding conditions. The Bobman front load keeps dairy cow areas clean and dry by continuously spreading fresh bedding. This reduces bacteria, lowers mastitis risk, and boosts cow health, leading to better milk quality and farm efficiency. The core mechanism of the leaf remover model, Vortex, manufactured by the company Olmi, involves a high-speed rotating rotor that draws in air and expels it through specially designed nozzles set at precise angles. This allows the airflow to penetrate deep into the canopy's nooks and crannies, effectively removing dry leaves and organic debris stuck on the foliage, ensuring effective cleaning while protecting the canopy from damage. Unlike traditional methods that disrupt soil, the TC100 rock picker uses a precision end effector to grab rocks with minimal soil disturbance. This protects soil health and prevents costly damage to planters or harvesters. It's smarter, gentler field preparation. Lower emissions, energy savings, and outstanding efficiency. These are the key benefits of Envo Dan's eTherm weed burner. The system maximizes combustion heat for weeding, cutting gas usage by up to 40%, offering an eco-friendly solution for crops like potatoes. Because alfalfa improves soil with its deep roots, it's vital to use machinery that preserves that benefit. The AgBot 2.055 watts 4, with its lightweight frame and 710 millimeter low-pressure wheels, minimizes soil compaction. At 9 kilometers per hour and with a double-blade mower, it handles cutting with speed and precision. What sets the Ferrari Fast Block Transplanter Square Block's planter apart is its ability to ensure crop uniformity. By planting seedling blocks at precise depth and spacing, the machine gives every plant the same ideal growing conditions. The result? A more consistent, higher quality harvest and stable yields. Lotus Korea's Makari is an extremely versatile amphibious excavator. This tracked machine can move and work effectively on both land and in water, making it easy to clear dense dry reeds and thick vegetation in shallow areas. Its multi-terrain capability makes Makara an ideal tool for canal and reservoir maintenance projects. If you are looking for a durable and efficient straw grinder, the VDW Piranha is a top choice. Equipped with a horizontal rotor inside a deep round chamber, it grinds coarse materials evenly and quickly without affecting tractor performance. Robinson Nursery uses a netting machine to secure root balls after removing pots. This special netting allows roots to grow through, so it never needs removal at planting. This reduces plant shock and simplifies the transplanting process. The Green Automation System offers fully automated cultivation from seeding to harvest. Every step is 100% hands-free, cutting labor costs and boosting hygiene. It's the future of efficient, leafy green production. Over the last 2 decades, Francis Henderson of Oat Hill Farm has developed a bale stacking machine that has handled more than 2 million bales, neatly organizing them in blocks of 40. Louise, his sister, uses a bale squeezer attached to a teleporter to collect these stacks. Mechanized harvesting is an essential demand in today's super-intensive cropping systems. Pellence's CV45 was developed to meet this need with a unique air conveyor system in a large compression chamber, protecting trees and optimizing harvest rates while minimizing losses. Operating at 540 revolutions per minute, the largest impeller of the Mixit 25-foot lagoon stirrer ensures even and effective mixing within the lagoon. The John Deere 6155M tractor, rated at 200 horsepower, provides stable power for the operation. Featuring computer vision and deep learning, the IM500G1 Iceberg automated machine, by Automated Harvesting LLC, fully precisely identifies and cuts lettuce, minimizing damage. This ensures premium product quality and reduces waste, delivering fresh heads to consumers. The AeroReb Holds Zier is a specialized vineyard machine designed to pull and remove old vine branches quickly without damaging the trellis wires or grapevines. This machine is ideal for large-scale vineyards. A highlight of the Veneroni Pampa Mobile ATS 40/4 is its combination of a telescopic pipe and hydraulic rotation. The telescopic pipe allows flexible length adjustment, ensuring precise and even water distribution. This feature optimizes water usage, reduces waste, and promotes higher corn yields. With its advanced technology, the NV552 adapts smoothly to different lettuce, sizes, and shapes, providing gentle but secure packaging every time. Boost your plowing productivity with the Moro Aratri Dragon 8. This semi-mounted plow features 8 furrows and requires 300 to 450 horsepower to operate, offering outstanding performance that lets you finish your work quicker and more efficiently than ever. Designed for modern poultry farms, the XO Robot by Octopus Biosafety automates key tasks like bedding scarification and disinfection. Its smart sensors track temperature, humidity, and ammonia levels, while AI analyzes bird behavior to improve welfare. That truck relationship status, it's complicated but reliable. Compared to laborious manual harvesting, the two-row corn silage harvester is a significant step forward in efficiency and speed. Need to clear brush in hard-to-reach places? The Kronos Predator 1700H is the answer. This tractor-mounted machine, with its impressive reach, effectively tackles vegetation on slopes, ditches, or roadsides. It simplifies difficult jobs, keeping these areas tidy. The post-harvest treatment of California oranges begins with a deep wash, followed by mechanical and visual sorting based on size, color, and quality. Each step is carefully executed to ensure that only the highest quality fruit makes it to the store shelves. Look no further. The E7000SP was designed to handle a variety of nuts such as almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. Its independent floating pickup head keeps close contact with the ground, collecting efficiently without missing any nuts. A versatile harvester every modern farmer needs. Weighing approximately 200 kilograms, the machine is equipped with durable rubber tires for easy movement across different terrains. Plant spacing is adjustable from 15 to 50 centimeters to suit various crop requirements. Its simple design requires no electricity or fuel, making it a low-cost operational solution. Before harvesting carrots with the Ropa Kyler one, the Ruthenberg vegetable weeder is used to trim and remove excess vegetable tops. This not only improves harvest efficiency, but also protects the harvesting machine from clogging caused by leafy debris. You can use the Fishbein Saxon electroweed binding machine for all sorts of products. It helps you bundle veggies, flowers, or whatever else you need to package neatly. Meet the wheat bullet train. The Trier Zmai Zemun 1945 uses a smart method, a dimpled cylinder. It grabs shorter particles, lifting them out, while longer grains pass through. This precise separation helps get cleaner batches, perfect for seed or processing. Beyond speed, the garlic splitter keeps cloves intact, preventing bruising. This helps garlic stay fresh longer and meets high-quality standards. Who knew banana harvesting in Honduras could be this much fun? It's like a fruity relay race, passing bunches with speed and style. Since Jerry got this egg sorter, he doesn't have to guess anymore. The machine sorts every egg perfectly by weight, like a tiny egg scale ninja. It doesn't come with many modern features, But this harvester runs reliably. For small and medium-sized rice fields, it's still a dependable tool during harvest season. The plow has revolutionized farm work. It frees farmers from strenuous labor, allowing them to prepare larger land areas in less time. This significantly saves time and effort. This tree-climbing machine is the lazy man's ultimate power move. No more ladders, no more slipping. Just strap in and zoom up like a squirrel with a motor. Farming will never be the same, and we're here to witness it together. Subscribe to Mega Hub, like, and share this video. We've got more coming your way.